So let me welcome you to this beautiful penthouse that we have for sale here in Bel Air. We are close to the village Cancelada, which is walking distance with many local nice restaurants. We are practically in the middle of Marbella and Estepona. It's a really convenient, easy location. You're less than 1 kilometer to the beach. You have the roundabout here where you can drive to the left to Marbella or to the right to Estepona. You don't have to drive around these rounds, which you have to do often. You have tennis courts here fairly close by, Gibraltar tennis, you have Villa Padierna tennis, you have a spa here and a gym here very close by too, walking distance to Lidl, Mercadona. So for me, the special thing with this penthouse is the layout of the open plan living room area. It's really special, it has character. You have this really cozy area here, sit and watch television. The openness here, the bright with light coming from different angles from both sides. The ceiling in the kitchen, which is that angle of the ceiling. The renovation is done so that it's totally everything new built, new plumbing, new electricity. I personally like a lot the herringbone pattern of the floor. I think it's just a really special layout and a special feel when you come inside the apartment. So here we are on the upper terrace where you have the master bedroom. From here you have a nice sea view. You can see Gibraltar, you can see Morocco. Walking distance to Cancelada, 15 minutes I would say. You're at the restaurants there. You can actually even walk from here to the beach. I mean, it's less than 1 kilometer. So it's quite easy. I mean, a very convenient location, as I've said, and a beautiful place.